And I actually have my ASDM launcher already installed. What? What? On. Next. I thought I had already done this for 7.1. Maybe I didn't. Might want to run it as administrator too. Interesting. All right, I'm gonna have fun with this. And this is why I hate Java, boys and girls. So Java WebStar is required to run on ASDM but not installed on this computer. All right. Java WebStar. So it looks like I have to do some Java Web Start goodness here.
A little sad we have to deal with Java.
Huh?
I just changed laptops, so now I have to uninstall Java again.
Yeah, I know. I hate Java. I really, really, really do. All right. Java Start. All right, homework, it's about that time. Homework assignment. Try to complete that a little bit. Let me go over just a little bit of Lab 3. What do I have for Lab 3? I can't even remember what I had for Lab 3. Oh, yeah. So Lab 3, we're going to set up a remote access VPN. All right. And you're going to be able to do Lab 3 once we get the ASDM set up in no time. Let me show you. Let me just VPN into my ASA at work real quick. This is what the launcher actually looks like. loads up the configuration. Okay. And this is the front screen of the ASDM. We can look at general information, licensing information, status of interfaces. You have a little log file here, syslog. You can look at the latest syslog messages from the device. But here's how easy it is to set up a VPN, remote access VPN. You go to the IPsec VPN wizard, select the interface that you want this to be on, select how you want to make it, whether it's L2TP or VPN client, we'll do VPN client. You give it a pre-shared key, you give it a group name, you tell it how you want to make authentication work. I'm going to do the local database on this one. You can even create your users right here. You can assign it what IP addresses you want to give it from the DHCP pool. DNS server information, the default domain name you want to come up with, the encryption mechanism, what networks you want to be accessible from this VPN. I'm just going to go ahead and use my CIS 200 network. If you want to enable perfect forward secrecy, which I do, but I want to set it to 2 because it should match my other Defi Helming group that I had on the previous page. Gives you a synopsis and you click finish. And ladies and gentlemen, that right there, once you get the ASDM up and working with Java and everything else, takes you through step 3, step 4, step 6, and that's it. And that's like the hardest part of the lab. Okay, we went through I think 9 different windows there to set up that VPN, versus about 20 lines of code if you were to do it on the CLI. Okay, a lot easier. A lot easier. And you can also use the ASDM to set up your interface. I'm gonna cancel all this real quick. You can also set it up to use your interfaces. You can select your interfaces, edit it, put your IP address, your subnet masks in there. You can set up your NAT rules, your firewall rules. Under device setup, you can set up your routing. Okay, it's a lot easier to look at and understand than going, oh God, what was that command? Okay, so thanks some of your other CIS professors who talked me into teaching this instead of making you suffer through command line hell. Not that we're not going to suffer through command line hell later on. All right, that's all I got. Professor Bennett will be here on Thursday, and he'll talk a little bit about ERP security. Probably will not be a very long class, and I'll be back next Tuesday.
Lab 2 is due Thursday?
Go ahead and email me Lab 2. I probably will not get to grading it till this weekend, so if you don't get it to me till Friday or Saturday, I'm okay.
Cool.
Alright, you gotta stay put. By any chance,